सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः सुप्रभातं च।
सुप्रभातं महोदय। सर्वेषां
सुप्रभातं।
नमस्ते।
बसवराज महोदय प्रार्थना वदति वा?
आम् महोदय। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नमो नमः।
धन्यवादः महोदय। कृपया सर्वे वीडियो उद्घाटयन्तु। अनन्तरं किञ्चित् शब्द उच्चारणं सम्यक् कुर्मः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि टकार कोटि, not kodi or koti, koti समप्रभ बकार महाप्राण निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा शु शकार सरस्वती दीर्घं न उच्चारण कर्तव्यम्। सरस्वती सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी। अत्र नी दीर्घ नकार। विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। रेफा अपि उच्चारणं कर्तव्यम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः, that visarga should be pronounced. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnuhu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat atra visarga ardhasa adhikam ucharanam kartavya. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सम्यक् अग्रे गच्छामः। We all know, वयं सर्वे जानीमः, अक्षरम् अक्षरं पदं वाक्यं नामपदस्य गुणाः क्रियापदस्य गुणाः दृश्यामः पठिष्यामः। अद्य पदं पदम् इत्युक्ते पदम् इत्युक्ते किम्?
a word.
A word. अक्षराणां सार्थक समूहः। अक्षराणां सार्थक समूहः पदं भवति। यथा बालकः बालिका फलम्। So the what you say, not collection, samuha, and it should convey a proper, it is not any word, any akshara you can put and it will become a shabda. It should be meaningful and it should be form a proper word. So padam dve prakare staha, nama padam kriya padam. वयं सर्वे जानीमः। नामपदम् इत्युक्ते किम्? उदाहरणं ददातु।
रामः, सीता,
सम्यक्। सीता,
बालिका,
मन्दिरं मन्दिरं,
बालकः, वैद्य,
लोकयानं, विमानं,
एषः सा,
एषः सर्वनामपदम्। अनन्तरं नामपदम्। क्रियापदम् इत्युक्ते Kriya
Pevati, khadati.
Pibati.
Khadati,
Yes.
karoti,
Any actions.
karomi.
Yeah.
Actions.
Verb.
So Kriya
Actions.
Padam likte. Kriya Padam tells what is the Karyam Vakyam. So
Prakruti.
we know Nama Padam and Kriya Padam. Now Vakyam. Padam ityukte, how the padas are made. Prakritihi Mula Rupam and then Pratyaya. Pratyaya. Prakritihi is the Mula Rupam. And then there is some addition which is called Pratyaya to make the Prakriti function and convey meaning. Prakriti. If we select Prakriti iti ukte, we can say Dhatu, Pat. If I say Pat, it doesn't convey any meaning. Pat. If I say, to make it meaningful, Kriya Padam, I have to add T. Patati, Balakaha Patati, Balika Patati, Aham Patami. So there is the Pratyaya. There should be something added to make the Dhatu function, root. So Prakriti is Moolam, Moola Rupam Pat, Dhatu. Then the Ti. What is that Ti is known? Patati, Kadati. What Pratyaya it is?
Ting
Ting
pratyaya.
pratyaya.
Ting
Ting
Pratyaya.
pratyaya.
Ting Pratyaya. Kriya Padam Sarve. Whatever the Kriya Padam ends with Ti, it is known as Ting Pratyaya. So all the Kriya Padams end with Ting Pratyaya. All the Kriya Padams. Patati, Kadati, Gacchati, Agacchati. All the Kriya Padams end with Ting Pratyaya. Now, Nama Padam. So, Kriya Padam Prakriti is known as Dhatu and Pratyaya is known as Ting Pratyaya. So, Pat plus Ti, Patati. Then, Nama Padam is known as Pratipadikam. 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 Now, we say Ramaha. So the Pradipadikam is Ramas and Supratyaya Ramaha. That Pratyaya Aha Ramas Ramaha is called Supratyaya. Like Kriyapadam is known as Ting Pratyaya, Namapadam is called as Supratyaya.
Mahode,
Yeah.
what is Ramas?
Ramas is the Prakriti. In Sanskrita, it is Prakriti, Ramas.
So, is that the same as Dhatu or no?
It is, Dhatu is Kriyapadam. Namapadam is Pratipatikam. Pratipatikam is Ramas.
Okay. But what is the mool word? The root word is Ramas.
Ramas.
Okay. So, that's a Pratipadika. So, in case of Namapada, Pratipadika plus Supratyaya.
Yeah.
In case of Kriyapada, it is called Dhatu. The root word is called Dhatu.
Yes. Namapadam is always known as Pratipatikam.
Okay.
So we call Raja.
But Ramapadam also originates, from Pratipadikam also originates from Dhatu.
No, that is a different pratyaya. Some of the Kriya Padams become nouns when it takes some verb forms. Some verbs forms. In some rupa, they become nouns. Right?
So what is the root word called in Sanskrit? What do you call root word?
Dhatu.
Dhatu.
Yeah.
But in case of Namapada, the same thing is called Pratipadika.
Pratipadika.
Okay.
So there are
few root words, right?
Yeah. In
Sanskrit?
Kriyapadam, the root word is called Dhatu, and in Namapadam, the root word is called Pratipatikam. And some of the verbs become nouns, that some prakriya takes place, that we will study, later.
So
Yeah.
one question here. Prakriti means it's either pratikam or dhatu. These are called prakriti. Is that correct?
Prakriti is for both. Prakriti is for both Pratipatikam as well as Dhatu.
So is it good to say Prakriti is a root word?
Yeah, you can say Prakriti. Okay. Yeah, Prakriti is root word. Original Prakriti is the root word. Naturally we say Prakriti means nature.
Nature.
Right? General common English translation is nature. Here also we can say attribute to Prakriti means naturally it is Dhatu and Pratipatikam. The two words. Kriyapadams are called Dhatuhu and Namapadams are called Pratipatikam.
So,
and
so Prakriti is...
Yeah. Tell sir. Yes. And
yeah, no, I got that answer. Thank you.
Yeah, and the pratyayas are, so always pratipatikam with supratyaya, it functions. Pratipatikam Ramas cannot function. And it takes the pratyaya Ramaha. So that is called supratyaya. And Dhatu takes the ti, that is called ting pratyaya. Now, Namapadasya gunaha. So here, see, here, Pratipatikam plus Supratyaya Namapadam. How we get Namapadam? The root is root is Pratipatikam and the Pratyaya is Supratyaya. We call it Supratyaya. Dhatu, the root word for Kriya Padam is called Dhatu and it takes Ting Pratyaya, it becomes Kriya Padam. So, Prakritihi Pratyaya Cha, and this Prakriti Pritak Rupena Upayoktum Na Shakyate. This you have to keep it in mind. This Pat Dhatu cannot function separately. That is why it has to adopt Ting Pratyaya to be practically functional. And Supratyaya, Namapadam, has to take up Supratyaya, then only it can function. So, Prakriti, Pratipatikam and Dhatu cannot function separately. This point you have to...
Tin pratyaya, prakriti pratyaya. Okay.
Prakritihi pratyayaha cha pratak rupena upayoktum na shakyate. You cannot use Prakriti separately and Pratyaya also without Kriya Padam, Nama Padam. They are meaningless. Ting Pratyaya, Supratyaya, separately they cannot function. So this you have to keep it in mind. Now, where did I go? So now we are going to see Nama Padasya Gunaha. What are the gunas of Nama Padasya? So we have seen Antaha, Ramaha, Balakaha, Vrikshaha. What do you observe? Vayam kim janimaha ucharanena.
Supratyaya. Namapadah with
Aha. Aha.
Ending with
Guruhu. Kim
Visarga.
Visarga asti. Ucharanam Guruhu.
Akshara.
Ukarantah.
Ukaranta.
Hello. Ramaha Akarantah. Nadi
Ikara.
Ikarantah.
Ikarantaha.
Hari
Ikarantah.
Balakaha
Akarantaha.
Akarantah.
Vrikshaha
Akarantah.
Akaranta.
Pustakam
Makaranta.
Makaranta.
Akaranta.
Akaranta.
Akaranta. Akaranta.
So, Antaha, that is called Antaha. What Antaha? Antaha means not end. The Ucharanam of that word, how we pronounce. Ramaha, Balakaha, Vrikshaha. So we call it Akarantaha. We call it Akarantaha. Akara.
So,
Yeah.
Mahoday, so Pustakam, is it Makaranta or Akaranta?
Akaranta.
Yeah, because you are saying here Antaha, Swarantaha and Vyanjanantaha. So what is
But
the example of
Pustakam,
Vyanjanantaha?
it is Napumsakalinge asti. So when we separate Shabda Vigraham Karoti Chet, Ip plus U. So when we separate Sakara, Ardha Sakara, then It plus A, Ik plus A, Im plus A. That Makara will come when we pronounce Im. That is Im plus A. Pustakam. So,
Pustakam.
yeah, that is Akarantaha Napumsakalinga. We call it.
So, can you give an example of Vyanjanantam? Vyanjanantaha? Antaha. There are two types, right? Swarantaha and Vyanjanantaha.
Swarantaha, Vyanjanantaha. Yeah.
Vyanjanantaha. I see it on the
Vyanjanantaha.
screen. Yeah.
Yes. Swarantaha is Akarantaha. Yeah.
Akara, Ikaranta.
Then this Vyanjanantaha ends with Kakara, Ka Varga, Cha Varga. Like we can say Halant Shabda. Vyanjanantaha. Vyanjana, this Ka, Ka, Ga, like Vigaha, Vigaha, Ha, end with Ha, Vigaha. So Vyanjanantaka. So Swarantaka is A, I, U, all that. So Vyanjanantaka is Vyanjana Shabda Ucharanena, the Shabda ends. We will see that. We will see that. Vyanjana means the consonants.
Yeah.
The words which end with consonants.
Yeah, I was just trying to see what are the examples, but it's okay. We can come back to that.
Yeah, we will see. So, Pratipadikam Moola Shabdaha. That is, and see, when we see the Kriya Padam, so, or Namapadam, Namapadam, Antaha, Namapadasya, we are seeing the gunas of Namapadam. Let us not confuse with Kriya Padam. So, only we are focusing on Namapadam. So, Namapadasya gunaha, Antaha. First is how it ends. Swarantaha. So, whatever, Akarantaha, Kakarantaha. Now, Marut, Mahat. So, how does it end?
Halantata. Halantata.
Halantakara. So, we say Takarantaha, Marut Shabdaha, we say. Right?
What is Halant?
Halant.
What is Halant?
Halant is
means?
that Takara ends with one stroke at the bottom.
Okay.
Marut.
Okay.
Marut.
Got it.
Jagat. Right?
So
that
it's Halanta is a Vyanjana.
Yeah. So that ends with one is Vyanjana and that is Vyanjanantaha. So Vyanjanas also end with we call it takarantaha, like that.
So is
And
it appropriate to say
Hmm.
halant plus swara become Vyanjana?
no, it
Or
is
is it the
not
other way?
necessarily. There is not
Yes,
always.
Mahoday.
Yes, ma'am.
It is always like that, right? Ik plus a is ka.
So that's the
So
Vyanjana.
Vyanjana is always a swara plus the halant plus swara it becomes Vyanjana.
Swapna
Yes.
Bhagini, I think there may be another term. The halant plus swara may be another term. I think Vyanjana is a group, right? Vyanjana is a group.
No. Vyanjana is group of all the consonants.
Consonant.
Yes.
Vyanjanani.
Yeah.
With the consonants.
So I think what we are trying to get here is
Hmm.
we know halant. There is a halant in Vyanjana. Halant plus swara. What is that called?
Swara also. Now, when we say balak, so it ends with halant kakara.
Halantka. Yeah.
Now,
Got it.
aga, balakaga.
Ka plus balaka
So
plus
it ends
a.
with akarantaha,
Yeah.
dirgha akarantaha. Sometimes the
Okay.
balakaga can become a noun, and balak we will say akarantaha, balak shabdaha, bahuvachanam,
Oh,
pullingaha.
we never say balak, Mahoday. We
Yeah, we
always say
don't say,
balaka.
but I am telling
That
an
is
example.
because we always add you have to add swara to the halant to, so that is why
Yes,
in Sanskrit we will not balak we'll never say balak, we will
we
always say
have never
balaka.
heard balak. We have never heard a
Balaka.
balak. So I'm telling an example, you know, how he is. We will come across the words, then we will.
Okay.
So,
Mahoday,
yes.
one request. Can you zoom out your screen so that we can see the full slide?
Okay. See.
Zoom out.
Yeah. Let me see.
You can go for the presentation mode.
Still you want to bigger?
No, I think smaller. Like make it 100%. Let's see, or 125%.
Okay.
I just want to see the whole thing, so that, or maybe 100%. Yeah.
You can go for the presentation mode.
Yeah, presentation mode is better. But I think she want to select the slides on the side, right?
Yeah. So now this is the slide, whole slide.
I think that's good enough.
Okay, now we go.
Is it okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
now it's good enough.
Okay. So, antaha swarantaha vyanjanantaha pratipatikam moola shabdaha. Then we say, now take for example Ramaha. Okay. Akarantaha. Then pratipatikam moola Rama shabdaha. Rama shabdaha. Lingam. Ramaha. What lingam it is?
Pullinga.
Pullinga. Then Vachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Then Ramaha, Vibhakti we have not read, but Vibhakti Ramaha is always Visarga ends. So Ramaha Prathama Vibhakti. So when we say Ramaha, how do we say Akarantaha, Rama Shabdaha, Pullingaha, Ekavachanam, Ekavachanam and Prathama Vibhakti. So 5 points we have to specify when we say Nama Padasya Guna.
Lingam, Vachanam, Vibhakti. I think we need a little more on the Vibhakti.
Vibhakti we have not studied, we will see. Okay. But so Vibhakti also we have to mention. Now this is for your information. We have seen Antaha, Ramaha, Akarantaha. Pratipatikam is Moola Shabdaha Ramaha, Rama, not Ramaha, Rama. And Lingam is Pullinga and Vachanam is Ekavachanam and Vibhakti Prathama Vibhakti. So all these 5 points we have to note when we take up a Pratipatikam, that is Namapada. right? So keep this. We will come across one by one when we do exercise. Now, Kriya Padasya Gunaha. What is Kriya Padam reveals and how we have to identify. Kriya Padam is Prakriti is Dhatuhu and Purushaha. So Kriya Padam Purushaha, Vachanam and Lakaraha. Like Dhatu, Pat Dhatu. So we say if the Kriya Padam is Patati, Patu Dhatu and Patu Has Gum Lik, all this Dhatu, we will take Patu Dhatu. Patu Dhatu and say for example Ti, Ramaha Patati. The Vakyam is Ramaha Patati. So Ramaha, so Dhatuhu is Patu Dhatu and Prathama Purushaha Ramaha. Ramaha is Prathama Purushaha and then Vachanam Eka Vachanam. And what Lakara? What tense it is?
Lat Lakara.
Lat Lakara and Lat Lakara. So these four things in Namapadam, we have to note down 5 things, right? Whereas in Kriya Padam, what we say, Patu Dhatu and Prathama Purushaha, Eka Vachanam, Lat Lakara. Ramaha Patati. So I will say, Patu Dhatu, Prathama Purushaha, Eka Vachanam, Lat Lakara. And we have not studied Prasmaipati, Atmanepadi. Otherwise, when we study that, we have to specify Prasmaipati Dhatu, Atmanepadi Dhatu. So I don't want to confuse, that comes later. So in Nama, Nama Padasya Visheshanaha 5 and Kriya Padasya Visheshanaha Gunaha 4. What are they? Dhatuhu, Purushaha, Vachanam, Lakara. Got it?
Yeah.
We will see the Vakyas, then we will see. So, what is Lakara? We know now, Vayam Janimaha, Namapadam Kim Bhavati and Kriyapadam Kim Bhavati. Now, we have to see Lakara. What is Lakara? Kriyayayaga Kalaha Prakaraha Dotyanti. Bodhayanti also. So, Lakara tells about the Kala. Patati. Apatat. All those things. So, Lakara denotes the tense and mood of the action. Always. Kala vachakaha, tense or time of action, the lat lakara, lang lakara, rit, lot, all those things. Present, past, future. Bhava vachakaha, mood of action. Inducing action through order, request, probability. Like English, you call it modals, should, ought, could, must, all those things like that. Bhava vachaka. So, lakara is kriyayaha, kalaha, prakaraha, bodhaya. That is what time the kriya took place. Present tense, past tense, and in Sanskritam, there are so many tenses we will see. So, idanim lat lakare madhyama purushe Trishu Vachaneshu Kriya Padani Patishyamaha. What is Madhyama Purusha?
You.
Yeah.
Sorry. I is Prathama Purusha, right?
Second person.
Second person. You.
No, I is
Swam
Uttama
Swam
Purusha. Mahodaya, I is Uttama Purusha in Sanskrit.
Tvam.
You.
Yuvam, Yum.
Yeah.
Tvam,
So
you.
the
Tvam,
person
Vayam.
in front of you, second person. Pratama Purusha is third person, always in Sanskritam.
Yeah.
Ramaha, Gopalaha, Balakaha, they are all third person. So Uttama Purusha is I, first person here. So Madhyama Purusha is second person, the person in front of you, Madhyama Purusha. So Madhyama Purusha is you, Tvam, and we, and all the proper noun. The proper noun, some of them will become third person. Yushmat Shabdaha, Asmat Shabdaha. There also. So now Pratama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha. So in front of you, if he is singular, she is singular, Tvam Patasi. Whether in front of you, Strilinga or Pullinga, you can say Tvam Patasi. And if they are two, Yuvam Patataha. Yuvam Patataha. Takara is Mahaprana Takara. Otherwise, if you pronounce the other Takara, the meaning will
Patasi,
change.
patataha, patat.
Patasi, Patathaha, Patatha.
Patat.
So,
Patat.
Tvam Patasi, Yuvam Patathaha, Yuyam Patatha. And Uttama Purusha. We are learning, but we can say Uttama Purusha. Aham Patami, Avam Patavaha, Vayam Patamaha. So, Aham, Avam, Vayam. And Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Here the focus is only Madhyama Purusha today. Uttama Purusha we will have maybe another class. So focus on Madhyama Purusha. That is second person. Tvam Patasi, Yuvam Patataha, Yuyam Patata. Now, Tvam Patasi, Yuvam Patataha, Yuyam Patata. Yeah, somebody can read instead of me reading. Yes, Basavaraj Mahodaya, Bhavan Patata. Bhavan mute मध्ये अस्ति.
Okay, yeah. Tvam patasi, yuvam patataha, yuvam patata. Tvam likhasi, yuvam likataha, yuvam likatha.
Now you have to use the visarga also. If you don't pronounce visarga, it will become bahuvachanam.
Okay,
So
likataha.
yeah.
Patataha
Now,
and likataha.
yeah, with these kriya padane, vayam vakyane rachayamaha. अस्तु पाणिराज महोदय भवान् पठति शब्दद्वयं स्वीकृत्य वाक्यानि वदतु.
आम् त्वं चलसि त्वं जयसि screen is little small. Okay. You screen is small actually.
Is it small?
We
Okay.
can
सर्वे
It's
द्रष्टुं
visible.
शक्नोति वा?
Yeah, we can see.
महोदय
Okay, because
भवान्
I had magnified it, so it's okay. Now it's in the
no,
bottom.
look at the pattern. Here it is.
Oh,
सम्यक्
okay,
दृश्यते महोदय.
right. No, I was looking at the right side, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry. I was looking at the right side. Okay. Let me restart. Tvam patasi, yuam patatha, yuyam patatha.
Yuyam patatha.
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 Now the Kriya
Should I
Padam
glance the right side also?
Chalati Svikritva Vakyani Vad Tvam Chalasi Tvam Chalatah Tvam Chalati Yuvam Chalatah Yum Chalatha.
Okay, right.
Got it?
Should I try?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay. Tvam chalasi yuam chalatah yum chalatha. Tvam
Kadati.
khadasi yuam khadathah yum khadatha.
Yes.
Tvam
Yes.
pashyasi
Uh,
pashyasi.
Alam Mahodaya Anya Kopi Vadatu.
Oh, right.
Swapna Bagini Vadatu. Anantaram Anya Kramena Vadatu.
Tvam pashyasi yuvam pashyatha yuyam pashyatha. Tvam jayasi. Oh, jayasi. Oh,
Jayasi, you are victorious.
yuvam. Yuvam jayatha yuyam jayatha.
Generally, we don't come you are Jayasi very rarely. Yeah. Anya?
Tvam padasi
Mm.
yuvam padatah yuyam padat. Tvam smarasi yuvam smarasah smaratah yuyam smarat.
Anya?
Asati. Tvam asati. Yuvam hasasi. Yuvam hasatah. Yum hasata.
Asata.
Hasata.
Tvam asasi yuvam
Yuvam
asataha.
hasatah. Yum hasata. Then it is pachati, is it?
Yeah, pachati.
Okay. Tvam pachati.
No, hasati. Next
Asati uktavati. Sa
Yeah.
uktavati, Mahodaya. Pachati.
Okay.
Tvam pachati. Yuvam pachatah. Yum pachata.
Okay. Now the next is Tishtati.
Tvam tishtasi yuvam tishtatah yuyam tishtatha. Gayati tvam gayasi yuvam gayatah yuyam gayatha.
Anya?
त्वं
Sarve uktavantah va?
न महोदय नमति त्वं नमसि त्वं नमथः त्वं नमसि युवां नमथः यूयं नमथ पिबति त्वं पिबसि युवां पिबथः यूयं पिबथ.
Next. Sarve uktavantah va?
अहं वदामि.
वदतु महोदय.
त्वं क्रीडसि युवां क्रीडथः यूयं क्रीडथ. त्वं गच्छसि युवां गच्छथः यूयं गच्छथ. त्वं वदसि युवां वदथः यूयं वदथ.
सर्वे उक्तवन्तः इच्छति. त्वम् इच्छसि युवाम् इच्छतः यूयम् इच्छथ. So
Mita
the
Bhagini
same.
Navadati. Mita Bhagini Vadati.
Sapna Bagini, please, can you call those people who have not said, read?
Smita, I think.
Smita Bagini, Astiva? I am not able to see. Yeah, participants. Yes, Smita Bagini. Astiva?
Can't hear her.
She's
Unmute
muted.
karo to. No, she's unmute, but
किंचित् क्लेशः अस्ति वा?
ध्वनि न श्रूयते महोदय.
स्मिता महोदय अस्ति वा भवती? अनम्यूट करोतु कृपया.
No, she's unmuted. I think some audio problem she has.
May not be sitting right now in front of the.
Maybe her volume is down. Smita Bhagini, volume up karo to. अवधूत महोदय अपि अस्ति.
अवधूत महोदय. अवधूत महोदय.
Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I did.
भवान्
Okay,
पठितवन्तः? Huh?
Yeah, I did. I read.
Yeah. स्मिता भगिनी न वक्तुं शक्नोति वा?
Yeah.
किंचित् क्लेशः अस्ति भगिन्याः. So we will do this also. Charati, harati, garjati, shipati, khanati, karshati, rakshati, kujati, brahmati, nrityati, karoti, krudyati, davati, rudati. I want to know, do you know now these are all ending how it ends?
Tiganta.
Tigantam.
So it Ti ends Tigantam. So this is Tigantam and it is in Lat Lakara. You have to clear. It is Lat Lakara. Present tense in Sanskritam is known as Lat Lakara. So we are studying now Lat Lakara. Charati. So the dhatu is char dhatu. And what is the how we have to describe? Vachanam. Eka vachanam. And here it is charati. We use it for pratama purushaha. Balakaha charati. We use it for pratama purushaha. When we say charasi, which purushaha we use?
Madhyama.
Madhyama purushaha. Now you will say char dhatu, then vachanam. This is madhyama purusha. Madhyama purusha. Ekavachanam and madhyama purushaha lakaraha. Lat lakaraha. So you have to say, you have to lat lakaraha. Lakaraha also. We have seen, no, what are all the visheshas of Kriyapadam.
Dhatu Purushah Vachanam Lakarah.
So you have to use these 4 words. So dhatu is pat mein pat dhatu, char dhatu, khadati khad dhatu, pibati pi or pib dhatu, like that. And gayati ga dhatu, ga dhatu. So dadati da dhatu, chalati chal dhatu. Like that we have to read. Dhatu, purushaha, madhyama purushaha, vachanam, eka vachanam, divi vachanam, ya bahuvachanam, and lakaraha. What lakara is there? What is lakara is Lat
Tense.
lakara. Right now we are reading only lat lakara. Astu. So we have to now let me see if we can make this. Now you have to say Trishu Vachaneshu. So Trishu Vachaneshu, what do you mean by Trishu Vachaneshu? Tvam.
Three
Three vachanam.
Ekavachanam,
Ekavachanam,
Dvivachanam,
Dvivachanam,
Bahuvachanam. So
Bahuvachanam.
you have to say Charati. So Tvam Charasi, then
Yuvam
Yuvam
Charataha.
Yuvam charataha.
Charataha.
Yum
Charataha.
Charata.
Yuyam charata.
Yuyam
Yum
Charata.
Charata. Quickly say.
Tvam
Start with.
Charasi.
Huh?
Also, say, I'll start.
Mm.
Tvam Charasi.
Mm.
Yuvam Charataha.
Mm.
Yuvam Charata.
Yum.
Yuyam Charata.
Yum Charata. Next.
Next, Tvam Tarasi.
Mm.
Yuvam Tarataha. Yuvam Tarata.
Tvam kim. Tvam
Tvam Tarasi.
tarasi. Yes. Next.
Okay. So the next two, someone else will take.
Yeah, someone else.
Yeah.
Avadut Mahoday.
Okay, thank you. Tarati, right?
No,
Tarati
Garjati.
Uktavant.
Uktavant, okay.
Garjati and Kshipati.
Okay, two, okay, thank you. Tvam Garjasi, Yuvam Garjatha, Yuyam Garjatha, Kshipati, Tvam Kshipasi, Yuvam Kshipatha, Yuyam Kshipatha.
Nataraj Mahoday.
खनति खन धातु मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम लट लकार त्वम खनसि युवाम खनतः यूयम खनथ
Yes. Next.
कर्षति 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 will be कर्ष धातु और कर
Karsh Dhatu, I think.
कर्ष धातु
Yeah.
कर्ष धातु मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम लट लकार त्वम कर्षसि युवाम कर्षतः
You said Karshati Mahodaya. Karshasi.
कर्षसि कर्षसि
Yeah.
त्वम कर्षसि युवाम कर्षतः यूयम कर्षथ
Next. Rakshati. Rakshati, Pujati.
Faniraj Mahoday.
Tvam rakshasi. Yuvam rakshatah. Yuyam rakshatha. Tvam pujati. Sorry. Kshamyatam. Tvam pujasi. Yuvam pujatha. Yuyam pujatha.
Next. Brahmati.
Parvati Mahoday. Bhagini.
Dhatu is Brahma.
Brahm.
Okay. Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Ekavachanam, Lat Lakara. Brahmasi, Tvam Brahmasi, Yuvam Brahmataha, Yuyam Brahmata.
When you say, when you said first Madhyama Purushaha Ekavachanam, then when you say Brahmataha, what will you say? Atrabi Spashtam Kartavyam Kalu Bagini. You have to say Dvivachanam, Lat Lakaraha, Madhyama Purushaha. Then Brahmataha, Atra Kim Vaktavyam, Bahuvachanam Kalu. If you say
Ekavachanam, no?
no, Brahmataha,
Madhyama Purusha
Madhyama Purusha.
Dvivachana, right?
Dvivachan is
Dvivachanam.
Brahmataha.
Brahmataha becomes Bahuvachanam kalu Bhagini.
Bahuvachanam, ha. Yeah,
Huh?
2 people.
Yeah. No,
Brahmataha
more
is
than 2.
Is a
Brahmataha
Brahmata
is
is
2
more than 2.
people.
two people. Yeah.
Brahmatha is
Is
Bahuvachanam.
more than 2.
So,
Yeah.
you cannot say
Yeah,
Ekavachanam
Vachanam, correct. I agree.
Uktva. You cannot
Correct.
read all the 3. Right?
Correct. Understood, yes.
Yeah. Either don't specify, you just
Or
read the Rupani of Kriya Padam, or if you specify Vachanam, then every
this word you
Vachanam
have
you
to
have.
specify.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sorry, mistake.
Yeah.
Then Nritya is the root word.
Yeah. Nrit.
Dhatu.
Yeah. Nrit. Nru is Dhatu. Nru.
Nru. Okay,
Yeah.
Nru. Tvam.
Hridyasi,
Nrityasi. Nrityasi.
Hridyasi, Hrid,
Yuam. Nrityataha. Yum. Nrityata.
Mm.
Hridyata.
Next.
Shivakumar Mohoday.
Dhatu is Davati. So Tvam Davasi, Yuvam Davataha, Yuyam Davata. Rudati. Tvam Rudasi, Yuvam Rudatah, Yuyam Rudasi.
न महोदय भवान् करोति न उक्तवान् चिन्ता मास्तु कोऽपि करोति and क्रुध्यति करोति अस्ति
Smita
खलु yeah
is Smita Bhagini? Is she
Yes.
there? Okay, please do Karoti and Krudyati.
Tvam karoti.
त्वं
Sorry,
Karosi.
tum karosi. Tvam karosi. Yuvam karotah.
न
Yuvam
कुरुतः this karoti is a special verb युवां कुरुतः यूयं कुरुथ
yuyam kurutha.
करोसि
Tvam
कुरुत्
tvam
करोसि
karosi.
हाँ
Yuvam
I think it is
karutha.
Karoshi. I don't think it is Karosi. I think it is Karoshi.
yeah
Karosi.
sakara also becomes kuru is a special dhatu so that it takes a different thing
Karoshi.
karoshi kurutha kurutha
Kurutha.
yeah karoshi the because of some technical rules sika she will not refa is there so she will come karoshi karoshi
Tvam
kurutaha
karoshi.
kurutha
Yuvam karutah. Yuyam karutha.
na
नहीं
kurutaha begini kurutha
Kurutah.
ku
Sorry.
ik plus
Kurutah.
u kurutaha I will tell you
Tvam
tvam karoshi
karosi.
yuvam kurutaha kurutaha and then yuyam kuruta kuruta ku
Tvam
mm,
kurutha.
krudyati here also tvam krudyasi युवां
Tvam kurudyasi.
कुरुद्यतः यूयं कुरुद्यत वदतु भगिनि
Tvam
Yes.
krudyasi.
Hridyasi.
Yuyam krudyatah. Yuyam krudyata.
कुरुद्यथ
Krudyata.
रुदति
Rudati already done.
done
Shivakumar
okay
Mohoday.
yeah Shivakumar Mahodaya done now lat
Okay,
lakara
what will be the meaning for this one?
which one
Krityati,
krudyati krudyati is krodha krodham karoti kalu krodha
enmity.
krudya yeah enmity
angry,
jealousy
angry,
yeah yes
angry,
krudyati angry
angry.
krodham ma karot
Rudati is crying.
rudati is crying rudati
Crying.
right?
Ganati is calculating or something.
Yeah, Ganati is counting.
Counting.
Ganati.
Mohoday, why they are in like a different color? Like, is they have different behavior like Kru Dhatu, or it just
It is some of them are special dhatus like kru, karo,
Kru? Okay.
and others. I don't. It's just to make it a slide. I don't
Okay.
see
Okay.
any color. This thing.
Okay. Okay.
So Madhyama Purusha forms loudly. Find out pattern rhyming and see. In these slides, there are lot of Madhyama Purusha. I want to zoom it because if I zoom it, only one portion will get, but we can see that. Hmm? See, now, Pashyati. Pashyasi, Pashyataha. Now you have all the three. See, Ekvachanam, Uttama, sorry, Pratama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purushaha. This is how you have to learn Kriya Padasya Rupani. Now, if I take the verb pash, drish dhatu. See, it is drish dhatu, pashya, dekna. So, how I memorize? Drish dhatu. Pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti is Pratama Purushaha and Madhyama Purushaha Pashyasi, Pashyataha, Pashyata. And
Mohoday,
Uttama,
can you
yeah.
slide it a little bit on the right hand side or left hand side so we can see what is Madhyama Purusha, Prathama Purusha? Yeah, we can see that now. That's
Yeah.
good.
So now you can see this Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. This is the pattern you have to drish, that is drish dhatu. There is no Pashya dhatu. Drish. Pash dhatu, there is no. So, drish dhatu. So, it becomes pashyat. Now, don't ask me why drish dhatu, drishyati, drishyataha. We generally, it comes drishyati, very special places, whereas pashya is dhatu, is mula dhatu, is drish. Like, so, now this take for some other, even this vadati, Vadadatu. Otherwise, Vach also becomes. So, there are some places like this. Pashyati is Drish, Pashya, Dekna. And these are the three forms we are supposed to learn. We have not come to Uttama Purusha, I think. So, we have seen Pratama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha now. So this is how Pashyati Pashyataha Pashyanti Pashyasi Pashyataha Pashyata. See, if you say this Takara, that's why I was telling. Pashyataha, it will become Pratama Purusha. Pashyataha, it is Madhyama Purusha. And Pashyavaha, Ucharanam Samyak Bhavitum Arhati. Please pay attention. Otherwise, when you take dictations or when you write, so taha makes a different. It will change the purusha. Madhyama purusha and pratama purusha. So quickly, can somebody, each one can lead one column, all the three forms.
Tulsi Ram Mahoday, his chance.
Should I read Drishta Dhatu?
Yeah, drish dhatu, pratama purusha.
Pradhama Purusha Ekavachanam Pashyati. Pradhama Purusha Dvivachanam Pashyataha. Pradhama Purusha Bhuvachanam Pashyanti. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam Pashyasi. Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam Pashyataha. Madhyama Purusha Bhuvachanam Pashyatha. Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam Pashyami. Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam Pashyavaha. उत्तमपुरुषः बहुवचनं पश्यामः।
अस्तु महोदय, तुलसीराम महोदय, अहं खादातु प्रयोगं कृत्वा उत्तमपुरुषरूपाणि वदतु।
खादामि
अहं खादामि वदतु।
खादामि, खादावः, खादामः।
सम्यक् सम्यक्। यस्, नेक्स्ट्।
मम अवसरः। चलति चलतः चलन्ति, चलसि चलतः चलथ, चलामि चलावः चलामः।
गा धातु प्रयोगं कृत्वा उत्तमपुरुषे वदतु भगिनि।
गायामि, अहं गायामि, आवां गायावः, वयं गायामः।
उत्तमम्। अन्य?
अवधूत महोदय।
गम धातु।
आम, गम धातु।
प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन गच्छति, प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन गच्छतः, प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन गच्छन्ति, मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन गच्छसि, मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन गच्छथः, मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन गच्छथ, उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन गच्छामि, उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचन गच्छावः, उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन गच्छामः।
महोदय, पट् धातु प्रयोगं कृत्वा उत्तमपुरुषे वदतु।
अहं पठामि, आवां पठावः, वयं पठामः।
सम्यक्।
Muni Mahoday, 1 minute. I want to tell Avdut Mahoday something. Avdut Mahoday, you in Sanskrit we don't say pratham, we say prathama.
Yes.
Okay.
In
If it is
Hindi,
pratham, then it will be halant.
Right.
There is no halant, so it will be prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha, eka vachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. That's the difference between Hindi and Sanskrit.
yes, हिंदी में मकारा राम पढ़ते हैं, बट ऐसे नहीं होता संस्कृत में. So you have to undo that and you have to say Rama unless there is halant.
So what you're saying is halant or with sura, but not a. So it's not pratama, it's pratama purusha, right?
Pratama purusha, pratama purusha, pratama purusha,
It's not
uttama
madhyam.
purusha.
So you don't short it.
Yeah, pratam purusha, madhyam purusha, it's not correct.
Yeah, pratama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama
purusha.
Uttama purusha.
Yeah.
So please, pay attention. Yes.
Okay.
Basavaraj Mahoday is next.
Okay.
Yachati.
Gachati?
No, yachati.
Yachati. Yeah. I'm trying to see. Okay. Let me make it here. Yeah. Yachati. Where is the yachati in that? Pratama yachati. Okay. Pratama purusha ekavachana yachati. Pratama purusha dvivachana yachatah. Pratama purusha bahuvachana yachanti. Madhyama purusha ekavachana yachasi. Madhyama purusha bahuvachana dvivachana yachatah. Madhyama purusha bahuvachana yachatha. Uttama purusha ekavachana yachami. Uttama purusha dvivachana yachavah. Uttama purusha bahuvachana yachamah. I will try to use that in Uttama purusha. Aham yachami. Vayam yachavah.
Avam.
Sorry. Dvivachana. Aham yachami. Avam yachavah. Vayam yachamah.
I am giving you the dhatu धावति दाव
धाव
धावति
प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन धावति, प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन धावतः, प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन धावन्ति।
उत्तमम्। उत्तम पुरुषे वदतु।
उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन धावामि, उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचन धावामः, उत्तम पुरुष
धावावः
धावावः, उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन धावामः। अहम
धावामि धावावः धावामः।
धावामि धावावः धावामः।
यस। नेक्स्ट
नटराजन महोदय।
था धातु और
तिष्ठति स्ताद
था धातु। प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन तिष्ठति तिष्ठतः तिष्ठन्ति। मध्यम पुरुष तिष्ठसि तिष्ठतः तिष्ठथ। उत्तम पुरुष तिष्ठामि तिष्ठावः तिष्ठामः।
Yeah, take any dhatu and give me an uttama purusha. Likati.
लिखति।
Lik dhatu.
In uttama purusha aham लिखामि, आवाम लिखावः, वयं लिखामः।
सम्यक्।
फणिराज महोदय।
ओके। पिबति पिबतः पिबन्ति, पिबसि पिबथः पिबथ, पिबामि पिबावः पिबामः।
Yeah, so खादति खादतु। भवान् पीतवान् इदानीं खादतु। खादातु स्वीकृत्य उत्तमपुरुषे।
अहं खादामि, आवां खादावः, वयं खादामः।
सम्यक्।
पार्वती भगिनी।
What dhatu? Vadati.
Yajati.
Yajati. What is yajati, ma'am?
Yaj is yagya karna. Yagyam. Homam.
Okay.
Homam. Yagya karna.
Prathama purusha. एकवचन यजति, द्विवचन यजतः, बहुवचन यज्यन्ति। यजति। मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन यजसि, बहुवचन यजतः।
Don't say बहुवचन, वचनम।
द्विवचनम। वचनम और वचना?
वचनम। एकवचनम, द्विवचनम, बहुवचनम।
द्विवचनम यजतः, बहुवचनम यजत। उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनम यजसि यजमि यजामि। द्विवचनम यजावः, बहुवचनम यजामः।
या गायति प्रयोगं कृत्वा उत्तमपुरुषे वदतु रूपाणि।
एकवचनम गायामि, द्विवचनम गायावः, बहुवचनम गायामः।
सम्यक्।
शिवकुमार महोदय।
हसति वदतु। हस्।
हस् धातु लट् लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनं, हसति द्विवचनं, हसतः बहुवचनं, हसन्ति मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं हससि द्विवचनं हसतः बहुवचनं हसत उत्तमपुरुषः एकवचनं हसामि द्विवचनं हसावः बहुवचनं हसामः
गम धातु प्रयोगं कृत्वा उत्तमपुरुष शब्दरूपाणि वदतु महोदय। गम धातु
गाय
गच्छति
गच्छति अहं गच्छामि वयं गच्छावः अहं गच्छामि आवां गच्छामः वयं गच्छामः
आवाम गच्छावः
गच्छावः
अहम गच्छामि
अहं
आवाम
गच्छामि
गच्छावः
आवां गच्छावः वयं गच्छामः
यस नेक्स्ट
स्मिता भगिनी
प्रथमपुरुषः सारी प्रथम पुरुष
न
एकवचनं
प्रथम पूर्वं धातु रूपं वदतु धातु नाम वदतु नृत् धातु
नृत्यति नृत् धातु प्रथमपुरुष नृत्यति नृत्यतः
प्रथम पुरुष प्रथम
प्रथम
पुरुष
नृत्यति नृत्यतः नृत्यन्ति मध्यम पुरुष
मध्यम
नृत्यसि
पुरुष भगिनी मध्यम पुरुष मध्यम पुरुष मत बोलना मध्यम पुरुष
मध्यम पुरुष नृत्यसि नृत्यथ नृत्यथः नृत्यथ
नृत्यतः विसर्गा भी बोलना चाहिए नृत्यसि नृत्यतः नृत्यथ टेक टाइम टू प्रोनाउंस
नृत्यसि नृत्यथ नृत्यथः नृत्यथ उत्तम पुरुष
उत्तम
नृत्या
पुरुष
उत्तम पुरुष नृत्यामि नृत्यावः नृत्यामः
and dhatu is patati patati उत्तम पुरुषे शब्द रूपाणि वदतु
पठामि अहं पठामि आवां पठावः वयं पठामः
वयं पठामः मिलित्वा पठामः not separately वयं पठामः
वयं पठामः
yes next दाव
तुलसीराम
धातु
तुलसीराम
ओके कुछ धातु में महोदय
दाव दाव
धाव रनिंग
दौड़ना not running running is present continuous tense
ओके धाव
run
धाव प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं धावति प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचनं धावतः धावतः प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचनं धावन्ति मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनं धावसि मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचनं धावथः मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचनं धावथ उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनं धावामि उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचनं धावावः उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचनं धावामः धावामः
महोदय दा don't say dva
धा धा धा
na
धावति
da
धावति धावामि
yes
धावावः
yes
धावामः
yeah nammati nam dhatu
मम अवसरः नमति नमतः नमन्ति नमसि नमथः नमथ नमामि नमावः नमामः
नमामः अस्तु किं धातु ददामः खादामि दृष्टवन्तः खलु नृ धातु नृ
उत्तमपुरुष पुरुष वा
उत्तमपुरुष
नृत्यामि नृत्यावः नृत्यामः
नृत्यामः अस्तु यस् ब्रह्म धातु
अवधूत महोदय
आम् आम् ब्रह्म धातु भ्रमति भ्रमतः भ्रमन्ति त्वं भ्रमसि युवां भ्रमतः यूयं भ्रमथ अहं भ्रमामि आवां भ्रमावः वयं भ्रमामः
लिक् धातु स्वीकृत्य उत्तमपुरुषवाक्यम्
लिख अहं लिखामि आवां लिखावः वयं लिखामः
उत्तमम्
बसवराज महोदय
आम् चपति sorry पचति
पच् 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 धातु don't say pachati dhatu pach dhatu dhatu is pach after that thing pratyaya svikritya anantaram only pachati bhavati
okay pach dhatu prathama purusha ekavachana pachati द्विवचन पचतः बहुवचन पचन्ति पच धातु मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन पचसि द्विवचन पचतः बहुवचन पचत पच धातु उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन पचामि द्विवचन पचावः बहुवचन पचामः अहं पचामि आवां पचावः वयं पचामः
भवान् पक्तवान् इदानीं खादतु खादातु स्वीकृत्य वदतु
ओके एक खादातु प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन खादति द्विवचन खादतः बहुवचन खादन्ति मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन खादसि द्विवचन खादतः बहुवचन खादत उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन खादामि द्विवचन खादावः बहुवचन खादामः अहं खादामि आवां खादावः वयं खादामः
उत्तम now tru dhatu tru look at the word we say tar also the tru tar swimming tairna next
true dhatu should I continue
no
Smita
somebody else
Natarajan Mahodaya
तृ धातु सह तरति तौ तरतः ते तरन्ति
उत्तमम्
त्वं तरसि युवां तरतः यूयं तरथ अहं तरामि आवां तरावः यूयं तरामः वयं तरामः
वयं
तरामः अहं आवां अहं तरामि आवां तरावः वयं तरामः
उत्तमं समीचीनं चर् धातु
ओके फणिराज महोदय
चर् धातु चरति चरतः चरन्ति चरसि चरथः चरथ चरामि चरावः चरामः
कूदति कूदति धातु स्वीकृत
उत्तमपुरुषं वदामु
उत्तमपुरुषे वदतु।
अहं कूदामि, आवां कूदावः, वयं कूदामः।
वयं कूद। प्रथमपुरुषे सः प्रयोगं कृत्वा सर्वनामशब्दः सः।
सः कूदति।
द्विवचने सः सर्वनाम।
ते कूदतः।
न, तौ
कूदतः। ते कूदन्ति।
ते कूदन्ति। सः तौ ते। सः तौ ते सर्वनाम शब्दानि। सम्यक्।
पार्वती भगिनी।
गर्ज।
गर्ज धातु प्रथमपुरुष वचनं गर्जति, द्विवचनं गर्जतः, बहुवचनं गर्जन्ति। मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं गर्जसि, द्विवचनं गर्जतः, बहुवचनं गर्जत। मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं गर्जामि, द्विवचनं गर्जावः, बहुवचनं गर्जामः।
ब्रह्म धातु प्रयोगं कृत्वा ब्रह्मति।
प्रथमपुरुष भ्रमति, द्विवचनं भ्रमतः, बहुवचनं भ्रमन्ति। मध्यमपुरुष भ्रमसि, द्विवचनं भ्रमतः, बहुवचनं भ्रमत। उत्तमपुरुष एकवचनं भ्रमामि, द्विवचनं भ्रमावः and बहुवचनं भ्रमामः.
So I think we had a good practice. There is one more slide. See the special dhatu, kurutaha. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. Karoshi, kurutaha, kuruta. Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. So we will do this. Saha karoti, tau kurutaha, te kurvanti. That is Prathama Purushaha. Tvam karoshi, yuvam kurutaha, yuyam kurutha. Aham karomi, avam kuruvaha, vayam kuruvaha, vayam kurmaha. This is what and asti. Yeah, we can see karshati, karsh dhatu we have seen, kujati we have seen. Rakshati, this asti we will do. As dhatu. As means it is there. Hona. Asti staha santi. Asi staha sta. And asmi swaha smaha. Saha asti. Tau staha te santi. Tvam asi, yuvam staha. See that Prathama Purusha also staha. Sorry, not Prathama. Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam staha. And Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam also staha. But look at the spelling. We have to be very clear. Otherwise we can do mistake. Staha, staha. Staha, staha, santi, sta. Sta. Sta is Bahuvachanam Madhyama Purusha. And Uttama Purusha Aham Asmi, Avam Swaha, Vayam Smaha. This Asdhatu you have to memorize. So you can make sentences quickly. We have 5 minutes. Each one can make one sentence. Prathama-purushah, saha asti. Like that. Can we try?
Sivakumar.
Yes. Quickly. Asdat.
Sivakumar Mohan.
So he had to go.
Okay, then Smita Bagini. Unmute करो तो.
सः अस्ति, तौ स्तः, ते सन्ति. मध्यमपुरुषः त्वम् असि, त्वम् असि, युवां स्तः, यूयं स्तः. अहम् अस्मि, आवां स्वः, वयं स्मः.
सम्यक्.
Tulsiram.
Quickly.
प्रथम पुरुष सः अस्ति, द्विवचनं तौ स्तः, बहुवचनं ते सन्ति. मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनं त्वम् असि, द्विवचनं युवां स्तः, बहुवचनं यूयं स्था. उत्तमपुरुष एकवचनं अहम् अस्मि, द्विवचनं आवां स्वाहा, बहुवचनं वयं स्मः.
Vayam smaha. So now we have so many slides. Please take a printout and memorize all these forms. The Kriya Padasya now Navarupani. First is Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Divivachanam, Bahuvachanam. So you can make all this. Take a printout and please memorize. That is my suggestion. Kopi Prashnaga Santiva. This Dhatu Rupam you have to only memorize. That is the, and there are so many, and in the, you can Dhatu Pataha book you can see, and you can memorize. That is one thing. And Samskritena Samyak Shrunotu Sarvada Kimapi Chintayatu Shrunotu, then only we can Ucharanam Samyak Kartum Shaknumaha. The more you listen, the more you will be able to pronounce. So that is my suggestion. And Samapayamahava.
Ama. Mother.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkhabhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. धन्यवादाः पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवादः पुनः
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः पुनः